Hey guys, it's If's Lifestyle and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So as you can see here, we have a huge Black Friday haul. I am going to do a unboxing video for you. I'm so excited to get into this because I have been saving all of my Black Friday splurges for this video. If you are new to my channel, welcome. If you enjoy the video, don't forget to drop me a like, leave a comment, share, and of course, subscribe. Okay, so let's get into our huge splurge. I'm so excited to unbox these, and I think it's only right to start with Body Shop. So this is the Body Shop Vitamin C Daily Glow Cleansing Polish. This is really nice, gentle exfoliant. I don't use this every day, but you can use it every day if you want to. This is just something extra that I add in when I'm double cleansing. And when I add this in, it ends up being a triple cleanse. After makeup, I like to really get in there and try and get my skin as clean as possible. And this product does it very, very well. It smells really nice, and yeah, it's just a nice simple product to use. I actually ordered 3 because there was a really good offer on, and I thought, you know what, it's Black Friday, let me just get it before it runs out. Okay, and next on the agenda is a package from eBay. This is a tiny little lamp that I bought for my room. This is a mini touch lamp and it comes in different colors. Now, the box is a little bit mashed up, but as long as the product's working, it's fine by me. So it just comes with a little information thing, a remote, which is nice because I don't always like to get up. Now, the lamp itself, it comes with a wire, which is great because I always need these wires lying around. And then this is the lamp. It's very small, it's very cute. I really wanted a small one. Wow, that is really nice, and I like the wood effect. Really cute. And I think you just touch, and obviously it won't work now, but yeah. And what I like is that it's rechargeable, so I don't have to always keep it plugged in. So it's really nice, it's really cute, and it will fit really nice on my little nightstand that I have. So yeah. Okay, next is my SHEIN order. Now, as you can see, yes, it has been opened. Honestly, I always end up opening my SHEIN packets straight away because they're usually things that I really need. So, first thing we have is this very cute set of pajamas. Now, I have another one of these in a different color. It's very comfy. It's a short sleeve top and trousers. Really comfy, really nice to wear, and it looks nice too. So good to have a few of these. Next is this really cute potted plant. It's a emotional support plant that I had bought for my classroom. Let's take it out of the packaging. So it's a really cute plant that I bought for my classroom just to keep on my desk. We can fluff up the flowers. Oh, it's like wire. I didn't know that. Oh, good. So it won't like flop about. It's like the stems of wire, so it will sit nicely on my desk here. And it's got a really cute quote on it. Life can be tough sometimes, but remember, so are you. And yeah, I just think this will personalize my desk a little bit more, and it will be very cute for work. These little pom-poms that I bought for my interactive whiteboard in my classroom. I did want to put it up now, but I thought it'd be nicer to put these up in spring, just because these are very springy colors and it looked really nice, and again just personalize my classroom just a little bit more and add some cute touches in there. And finally, I have bought this Selfie Light, which I've been dying to buy one for a really long time, and I finally got around to buying one. It's just like this. I don't know if I can turn it on at the moment. It may need charge, Oh, it does work. Oh wow, that is really bright. I don't know if you can see that, but that is very bright. I think, oh, and we can change the color setting and the brightness. That is really nice, and that is actually very bright. So I think these will be coming in handy for my videos. Like, wow, that's amazing, the difference. So I think this will be coming in handy. Wow, so I'm putting my light on. Let's do a before and after. So yeah, this will be coming in handy for my videos. I think it has an attachment to put on the phone. Let's see. So it comes with, right, let's turn that off because it's blinding me a little bit. Right, so it comes with the light, the wire, again, one of these universal plug wires, which I really like, and a clip for my phone, which is really nice, and that can actually clip onto anywhere. Be surprised at how bright this is, and I will definitely be using it in my videos. Okay, so on to the more exciting packaging, well, the more exciting orders or packages. This is my holy grail skincare product. This is the Clinique Take the Day Off cleansing balm. As you can see, it's the biggest size. It's the 200ml jumbo size. I've been using this for about 2 years now, and it's just so good. I've used the Elemis cleansing balm, and I just don't think it's as good. The Elemis one stings the eyes, and my eyes get quite foggy. However, this one, it doesn't sting. It does fog a little bit, but it's not anything crazy. I really, really like this, so I finally got myself the jumbo size. It's so good, and it's just amazing at taking off heavy makeup and just breaking down all of those heavy makeup products and things like that. So yeah, this is just a huge essential, and I'm so glad I finally got the jumbo size. Okay, now time for my boots order. Now this is all one order, and it came in 3 different boxes, so I don't know which is in which box. So this is just my toothpaste. Whilst I was doing my big order, I thought, hey, you know what, do some extra toothpaste. It's only £1, and yeah, not really gonna get into this because it's just flipping toothpaste, isn't it? Again, I'm not sure why the packaging was split like this for only like 3 products, but hey ho. Right, so here we have my Nala's Baby Body Butter and Nighttime Oil. Now, I've bought these before. I think it was in my other haul video, or my first haul video. Amazing. It's for babies. I'm a grown-ass adult using it, and I don't care. It's so nice. It's so good for sensitive skin. It smells so nice. The vanilla, it's just, oh, it's so nice. It's amazing. So good for bedtime. I feel like a baby when I use it, and oh yeah, it's amazing. It's all natural. It doesn't trigger my sensitive skin, and yeah, I love it. I bought the jumbo versions this time because again, it's just so nice. I can't get enough of this. It's such a good product, such a good set, and yeah, we'll definitely be rebuying for the foreseeable future. I hope this packaging is better. I did find, however, the oil would leak and things like that, so I'm hoping that is better. It feels better, it feels a bit more sturdier, so yeah, but other than that, amazing. And both of these together after a bath, 10 out of 10. Right, the next product is this Beauty of Joseon, I think. It's that Korean beauty brand that is very popular. It's the Red Bean Refreshing Pore Mask. Now, I've heard very good things about this. I've seen it all over TikTok. I know it's a good product. I just hope it's a good product for me. I've never used it before. I've never used Korean skincare before, so I am very excited. I've been looking for a nice clay mask to use after a shower. And yeah, I'm very excited to use this. Let's open it up. Oh, okay, it's got the paper packaging, so I definitely might give a little review on this, maybe on TikTok. And yeah, I'm looking forward to using this mask. I used to use the Body Shop charcoal mask. It was the best thing I've ever used, so I'm hoping this is even better. And finally, this is the Pantene Pro V Active Nutriplex Keratin Protect Mask that repairs and protects. I've never used a hair mask before. When it comes to my hair care routine, it's very simple. I just shampoo and call it a day. I know I'm a weirdo. I don't use conditioners and things like that. So I am very excited to use this mask. I've heard good things about keratin, and I've heard good things about this product. So I'm hoping that it helps repair my dry hair. My hair can get a bit dry, and it's weird because it will dry at the ends and not everywhere else. It's very strange. So I'm hoping this has some good results. Okay, so we have one more package that was a bit of a late arrival. This is from ASOS, and it was a little Black Friday treat from me to me. So let's get this open. Right, so I have the Kayali Sweet Obsessions miniature set. Now I have a miniature set in the Yum Gelato, and it's one of my favorites, so I'm really excited to try these. I've heard so much about the vanilla, and I know it's got really good reviews, so I'm excited to try out some of the newer ones as well. Okay, let's get this box open. So we have the Vanilla Rock Candy, Vanilla 28, Yum Bougie Marshmallow, and Flow Majesty. The bottles are really nice. They are so pretty. I love that they're pink. Very cute. Again, this would make a perfect gift. I might be biased because I love Kayali as a brand, but these are all really nice, and I'm so glad I got this set. So worth it. Got it on a Black Friday offer. Extremely happy that I bought this set. No regrets. Perfect treat for myself. And yeah, that is it. And that is it for my huge Black Friday haul. I love doing these kind of haul videos. I'm really happy that I am in a position where I can treat myself in this way and splurge and have fun doing it. I love doing haul videos. It's my favorite things to film. So I'm hoping that I can do more of these more often. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, drop me a like, and let me know which product was your favorite. Let me know if you've used any of these products and you want to leave me a review, and let me know how you found it. Feel free to do that, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.